Welcome to GQUAT Traditions, and this is our third garden update, particularly the PlanterHGC Herb Garden Challenge. We are a family who has been growing herbs and foods all of our lives. This is Easter week, and just finished celebrating 6 generations of living gardeners and foodies. Some of the foods we had for Easter are spatchcock chicken with sauce, spiral cut ham, fried rice with bacon and eggs, string beans, Brussels sprouts, extra large biscuits, potato salad, macaroni and cheese, Oreo cake, and apple pie. Got back home to my place. I live in a senior handicapped apartment, and I have a community garden. Here I am transitioning my herbs that I'm growing this year, and they are many. Ashwagandha, oregano, sage, lavender, rosemary, dill, basil, thyme, cilantro, borage, mullein, yarrow, peppermint, holy basil, lemon balm, Jamaican sorrel, echinacea, moringa. I stuck an avocado seed out there also, aloe vera, sweet potatoes, pumpkin spice peppers, mystery peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers, and cayenne peppers. Connecticut 6B has a very short growing season, so you have to start early. I'm harvesting dandelions out there in the community garden space, and because I will be making a comfrey dandelion salve. Not only do I have a garden and I like to grow things, I like to paint things, showing my 6 living generations how I live. These are some tulips I planted. Okay, have a good day. Inside for lunch. It's delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.